Adobe Premiere Pro editors are finally happy. The wait is over now. Finally, Adobe Premiere Pro replaced the old Lumetri Color with a brand new color mode. So let's see how does it work. To get to the brand new color mode, you need Premiere Pro Beta. And then you can go to this new tab called Color. Now everything seems different on right side. You can see vertically stacked clip through which you can easily grade each clip. And down here, color controls are divided into 3 groups: color and contrast, color shift, and detail. So let's jump on a color and contrast. When you click the contrast, this box pops up. This makes it so easy to adjust your contrast. As you can see, I'm moving my mouse. The adjustment moves with my mouse. Just look at your clip, how easy it is now. Now let's have a look of temperature control. It is so easy than before. Instead of our temperature and tint separate sliders, now we have it in one control. Now you can just move your mouse around and make a precise adjustment. When you are done, just click again to leave that control. So down here, these are the global adjustments. Now we can make the same adjustment to just the shadows and the highlights. Previously it was really hard to make these adjustments, but now let's see what we can do. Now you will also have the option to sample highlights, sample shadows, and add zones. So if we choose samples and we pick the highlights, now we'll get the new zone down here and we can make adjustment to just selected highlights. Now let's jump into the color shift. Here we have these different color circles. If you hover over them, you can see there is a particular color is being selected. Now let's select one of them. With saturation shift, you can easily increase or decrease the intensity of the color. Through hue shift, you can easily change the color. And with luminance shift, you can control the brightness of that particular color. Now let's jump on a detail. As you can see, it is self-explanatory. We can use this to increase or decrease the texture. And this one is for sharpen the image. Thanks and keep watching, and make sure that you subscribe my channel.